Hello everyone. I am working on a split binding, split binding. And there's a reason why you might want to do a split binding. So I'm going to move you over to a quilt that I have right here. I got to back out a little bit. Oops. So you can see two different colors. So I've got the dark on the front, and then the back is a light color. And I did not want to have either the light color showing on the front or the dark color on the back. And I'm going to back up here to my split binding here. And I'm going to show you a little trick for piecing this, because I'm doing a mitered piecing. Now when you do a split binding, you want the one that's going to go on the front, so that would be my dark, that's going to be cut at 1 inch, and then the larger one is 1 7/8 inch, and sew those together. Well, here is a little tip for getting this just right. So you can see I've got this pinned like that, and this is my last piece. So here's what I found is really simple. Let's see if I can get you adjusted just right so that you can see here what I'm going to do. Here's how to get this exactly right. So I've got a pin up here. I've got this sitting out. And I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to fold it over until the bottom matches. You can see the bottom matches right there. Go up, everything is matching. You can see the reds are matching, and I'm just going to finger press this. Nice finger press. This is going to be my line. So when I flip this back over, now I have a line. And I'm going to take one of my favorite marking pens right here. It'll disappear when you press an iron to it. And I'm going to just lay that on that finger press mark and make my marks. So that'll be my sew line. So you can see my line on there. I'm going to take another pin, and I'm going to pin kind of close to get this part right here, just to hold that. That seems to shift a little bit. So now I've got my 2 pins. I'm going to go ahead and sew. Okay, I went ahead and sewn that line there, but I'm going to leave this pin in, and I took this other one out from the side, and I just want to flip this over and just look at how it looks. Now it's off just a tiny little bit, but it's still just fine. And what I'm going to do is remove this pin, and I'm going to go ahead and press this way. And you can see that looks very nice. So I'm going to trim this off 1/4 of an inch and trim any excess up here at the top and the little dog tail that'll be down here, and then press the seam open. And that is a split binding. Okay, I got done pressing my binding. You want to just press it in half like you normally would. And you're going to go ahead and sew on your binding the way you normally would. Hope this helped ya. Thanks for watching.